folks, here's Marcus again from the clock shop in St. Goar, and Claudia is just unpacking a few clocks. What we just got in from the manufacturer from, of course, the Black Forest. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll put you all the updates what we will have on new available clocks in the comments below. So if you have any questions, just let us know. And as you know, I get back to you as soon as possible. And I'm gonna show you a few and yeah, tell me your thoughts. So as promised, this is the one which came in. Typical one-day clock, once at the half. And then of course the time at the full hour. You can see here the pipe bellows are going off, yeah. So all mechanism. You can see through the transparent faces and sides all around. And the other ones would be then more over here. Here's a very modern one, a little bit different in the designing, but this is a battery clock. Yeah. And another battery one which came in would be this one here. Very simple with the figurines. Very important here, this is no wood. Yeah, also here the hands and everything is no wood. Company and brand name is right there. Flat tree, so this is like a model where you start with the wooden plastic weights. And then we also got a new few new Cuckooinos in, which of course just have the sound but no bird coming out. Yeah, also some modern ones with different design. Yeah, so yeah, I put you a few in the links below, and if any questions, just let us know.